Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is one of the members of the family Fabaceae. It is commonly used as a herb as well as a spice. Major fenugreek producing countries are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Argentina, Egypt, France, Spain, Turkey, Morocco and China. India produces the largest proportion of fenugreek all over the world. The Indian province Rajasthan produces about 80% of the overall fenugreek produced in the country. Kasuri methi, which is the most popular for its appetizing fragrance, comes from Pakistan. It is most frequently used by the lactating woman in order to increase the milk supply. It is also an important component of many mouth-watering delicacies. The cuboid, yellow to amber-colored seeds of this herb is often used in preparation of pickles, curry powders and pastes. The spice is also encountered in preparation of many Indian cuisines. The seeds are often used in garnishing dishes as well as mixed with rice, and it's believed that they are good for restoring human health. The young and leafy sprouts are consumed as such and are often dried in order to flavor dishes. The dried leaves are known to the name Kasuri methi in India and are bitter in taste with a strong smell. The green leaves are cooked with potatoes and spinach and consumed with roti or naan in India as well as in Pakistan. In China and Central and Western Asia, the fenugreek leaves are boiled and eaten. In India, the seeds are often mixed with yogurt, which is used as a hair conditioner. It has derived its name from a Latin word. Where to buy fenugreek seeds? Fenugreek seeds are available online as well as in local supermarkets. How to take fenugreek seeds? A teaspoon of soaked fenugreek seeds can be consumed the first thing in the morning. If you find it difficult to cultivate a taste for it, you can even add the same to your curries, dals and other preparations. Make a paste of the soaked seeds and add to your meals. Sprouted seeds are better than soaked seeds and are more tolerable to the palate as well. Do not consume more than 2 teaspoons of seed every day. Fenugreek seed weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed for each cup of tea, 1 cup of water for every teaspoon of fenugreek seed, loose tea leaves and or herbs, optional. How to prepare? Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in 2 glasses, about 400 ml, of water overnight. Put 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a flask at bedtime. Add 2 glasses of boiling water into the flask. Screw on the lid. Let the seeds soak the whole night. Drink the water first thing in the morning. Benefits: fenugreek is great for the digestive system. It contains a large amount of fiber. This type does not dissolve but swells when it comes in contact with fluids. This works as a natural laxative. Fenugreek also lowers blood pressure. Fenugreek is able to regulate blood sugar levels and to lower levels of harmful cholesterol. When taken with meals, fenugreek can slow the rate of sugar's absorption in the body. 1 amino acid found in fenugreek may cause an increase in the production of insulin when blood sugar rises. However, it is used with insulin, not in place of it. A poultice of fenugreek may soothe irritated skin and relieve surface aches and pains. It is also used for boils, cysts, and other complaints. Precaution: the side effects of fenugreek include diarrhea, stomach upset, bloating, gas, maple syrup odor in urine, coughing, nasal congestion, wheezing, facial swelling, and allergic reactions. Because of its blood-thinning properties, fenugreek can interact with rarafine, a commonly prescribed anticoagulant intended to reduce the risk of strokes and other conditions caused by blood clots. Therefore, Fenugreek can increase the time required for blood to clot, which can lead to significant blood loss, even from small cuts. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure fenugreek is safe for you.